sabor tacos. What do you rate these tacos? I mean quesadillas.
Rated?
Yeah.
12 out of 10.
Wow.
Eyes are very small.
Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving. Why would you do that?
This is making me nervous.
What's the point in that? It's like chicken feet. Imagine that. Whoa! Girls, I would not have done that. You can spit it out.
No. No. I think they just took the rest out.
Okay.
It feels like I just ate a cockroach. Ew! Like the texture of the shell.
He did it.
You still do.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Today it's Monday and I just went and got my laundry because I'm leaving for Manila in a few hours. I have like a dentist appointment and I have a work event. So, and I'm already late to work right now. So I was like, you know what's a good idea? Vlogging. I've been thinking that YouTube has been such a fun hobby for me in my life. And I was like, why do I not upload more? Because it gives me something to do, like editing, and it just, I want to document my experiences more. So I was like, I need to start vlogging more, even if there's like nothing of substance. And it's just fun. It's like something for me to do. I really love to get my laundry done because if you can see, this is the entirety of my apartment. So I don't have like buckets or space to do my own laundry, and I don't have an outdoor space to do my own laundry. I wish I did, because that would make my life a lot easier in some ways. So I just send it out, but it's really sweet because my laundry lady that I always see, she's super sweet, and she's always happy to see me. She'll be like focusing, doing laundry, and then I'm like, good morning, and then she's like, hi Miss Abby, and I'm like, that's so sweet. I'm having that predicament where I'm only gonna be gone for what, like 6 nights. So I'm like, what do I pack? And I can't figure out like what I really want to bring. And I don't want to bring a lot of clothes, but at the same time I'm like, is six nights, like that's kind of a long time. This is my Peace Corps polo. I feel like I kind of need that just in case. But I wasn't planning on wearing it, but I'm like, you never know. And then this is why my bag ends up being too heavy.
Okay, hey guys, so as you watch this time lapse of me packing, I thought I'd explain a little bit more about what I'm doing during my travels. I needed to go to Manila for a dentist appointment, and then after that, it was perfect timing because I was heading straight towards Tarlac, which is a few hours from Manila, and I was going there for an International Volunteerism Day event. My other Peace Corps friends were hosting the event at Tarlac State University, and they invited me to speak about my experience working with the deaf. And I wanted to encourage other people to have more awareness and inclusivity regarding persons with disabilities, so it was a really cool opportunity to go and speak about it. And then after Tarlac, I just had plans to stay in the area and hang with my friends before heading back to Bacolod.
I finished packing, and just as I feared, I think I got too much stuff because this is kind of heavy. And I have my backpack, and I'm sitting on the floor because I need to motivate myself to go and leave. I don't want to, but we gotta get out there because it's already almost 10 o'clock. And I was supposed to be in the office a while ago. Okay, going now. They don't love me like I love you. had lunch of the day. We got banana, pochero, and pork, and soup. Yep. Okay, Sam, where are we?
Phone, what?
I said, where are we? Where are we?
Where's shawarma?
Yeah, shawarma shack. We're gonna devour this. Okay.
Can I eat it now?
Yes, go. More vlogging.
So this is the new shirt, but Abby's skirt.
Yes.
Collection.
Yes, it's yours now for Nepal.
She's ready for the town.
Yes. Cute.
Do you cook with cast iron?
I don't have a kitchen.
But like, if you did,
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't. But like,
Oh. Why wouldn't you?
I don't cook.
One doesn't have a kitchen, one doesn't cook.
I do not cook. You know what I made for Thanksgiving?
What?
Eggs.
Ew, nobody oh, okay.
Not
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I went and got breakfast and then I was working on my computer for a while. Now I'm just watching my favorite Vlogmas videos from my favorite YouTubers, and then later I have to go to the dentist. Then after I want to get maybe Panda Express because there's a Panda Express in the mall here, and then I might get a haircut because my hair is getting really long. And I feel like my bangs look stupid as heck. So Sam, what did you have to do today?
Oh, I'm getting my medical clearances for Nepal.
You go, girl.
And got them all done, except the optional pap smear, which we did.
You don't need that.
And 2 little poopy samples, which I successfully
I thought it was
completed.
3.
It was 3. I did 1 last time, and then 2 today. Within an hour and a half of each other. My butthole.
Just finished at the dentist. Guess who has receding gums? Hey guys, so I finished at the dentist and then I went and got my hair cut and it looks really good. The past few days I've been like thinking like, what am I gonna do with my hair, you know? And I just decided that it was time to get a haircut because I was being stubborn. I was like, no, I don't need to cut my hair for like the entire rest of my service. And I was like, that's a year from now. I think all people with bangs have a love-hate relationship because when they're short and cute, it's like, oh my god, nice, and then they'll grow out a little bit and you're like, I'm growing them out, I don't need my bangs, and then you look at yourself in the mirror and you're like, I need the bangs. So that's basically what happened. Anyway, then I got Panda Express and now I'm just chilling, playing with my hair. Vlogception.
All right, so we're here with Abby.
Yes.
And we're having dinner at our favorite shawarma place.
Oh yeah.
Manila.
Oh yeah.
We're done with our medical for today. We have to do more tomorrow.
Let's eat. Guys, we made it to Tarlac.
Ooh, Tarlac.
Yep. Now we're just waiting for everyone else, but they're being lame and slow. What the? I just heard my name. Okay, Tarlac. Popping off.
Who is she?
I don't know. You wanna be my vlog? Did you watch my vlog,
Yeah,
Vish?
I did.
Yeah,
Abby's
okay, good.
popping off.
I am popping off.
Almost like
1,000 subscribers. Let's go.
I don't think you're locking in.
Are you guys locked in?
How are the hips?
I'm pretty locked in. My hips, actually, it's pretty nice.
Oh,
Like,
bounce.
like, how far can you go apart? Can you, like, do a 180?
No, wait. Split.
Do split. I feel like I'm swimming. Like,
What do you think about this?
I'm not sure.
no thought.
Excellent commentary.
Wait, what if it's like... Wait, this is where it's at.
How about a little bit of this?
Chin ups.
Why?
It's like, what are you training for if you're doing this?
My sanity.
No vlog.
We're having a girls' moment. Oops. We're having a girls' moment.
I love you guys.
Love ya.
Guys. Aww.
Hi. Can we go?
I know, I want to go freaking home. It's gonna be such a long day tomorrow.
Yeah. And you have to go home.
I know. Okay, official